I'm meteorologist Tully on the day watch at the Fleetweather Ocean Rounding Center, New York. It's approximately 1700 UTC on April 20th. In this video, take a quick look at tropical storm Sanvu in the West Pacific. Starting off with a quick satellite overview, we do see a compact circulation for the system, roughly near 10 north, 156 east. An area of deep convection has formed near the center, and we have some additional banding features wrapping in towards the center on the northern and southern sides. If we examine the environment that Sanvu is currently in, we do see conditions are slightly favorable for a little bit of intensification over the next several hours. The system, as shown in this chart, is in warm sea surface temperatures of 28 to 29 degrees Celsius. And if we switch to water vapor imagery, we do see that the immediately surrounding environment is relatively moist, as evidenced by the lighter grays surrounding the system. Meanwhile, wind shear around the system is relatively light. Now we can look at the latest forecast from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center for Sanvu. The system currently has maximum sustained winds of about 40 knots and is traveling northwestward. The continued northwestward motion is expected for the next 12 hours or so, with little change in strength expected, although a slightly increased intensity is possible during this time. Later on the 21st, the system will begin to bend to the west-northwest and begin to weaken, eventually dissipating several hundred miles east of Guam this weekend or early next week. As we go back to the previous image, we'll see that the reason for Sanvu's eventually weakening is twofold. For starters, the system will be moving into an area of increased wind shear, as evidenced by these yellow and red contours. Additionally, the environment, as the wind shear increases, the environment will also become drier, as shown by these darker gray colors on the water vapor loop. And now we'll close by using the latest run of the GFS model to examine the potential impacts to shipping lanes over the next few days from Sanvu. At this time, the system is currently producing gale force winds and rough to very rough seas, mainly near and just north and northeast of the center. Little change to this is expected over the next 12 hours, but then thereafter the system will begin to weaken, and as a result, the winds and the resulting seas will begin to decline. Eventually, this system dissipates by the weekend or early next week, with no major impacts remaining at that point. So thanks for watching this latest update on Tropical Storm Sanvu. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn to receive all the latest weather and routing news. Once again, this is meteorologist Tully from the Fleetweather Ocean Routing Center. Stay connected and safe.